is even more fucked than I thought. Hey, what is up everyone? So for today, I wasn't gonna record anything, but I already started it. I have some footage on my phone. So as you guys can see, this guy just got stripped for no reason. And then it wrapped around there. And it basically pulled the brake line. Look at this. Look at this. Look at this. Like, it's all gone. The brake line ended up getting cut somewhere, so I gotta redo all that. And I already got that replacement. I have the other side as well. I gotta do the brake pad sensor that I've been lacking on doing. So now we're just gonna make sure that that's all it. But you can see all the brake fluid that has been dumped into here, and let's see the rest. Oh no way!
What happened?
This is even more fucked than I thought. That brake line is not gonna get switched out today. Oh. And then the rest of I think most of it snapped off, but the threaded portion is stuck inside the caliper itself, which there's enough thread that maybe we can try to force it out, but I don't know if the other one was threaded incorrectly. I don't know if you can actually see it, but if you guys can see it, you guys will see it. Let me see here. All right, we are back here with the iPhone cam, since the fact that I don't know where my GoPro's at. It might be in the apartment, but I said, oh well. But basically, the piece that was stuck inside here, I was saying last night, it's right there. My neighbor came in with an extraction kit, so saved my life, came in clutch. Now we have that hole empty and unbothered. Might clean out a little bit because of debris, but should be okay here. We took out the old line, so you guys can kind of tell here. This was the old line. This one is the new line, which, because I'm not going with an OEM because I need something now, since I have a business trip to go to, basically this lines up with this and that lines up there, so we're perfectly fine. It doesn't have this little rubber piece, which I think should be fine. But I think overall, anything else, I don't see any other damage to anything or that I can notice of. The wheel speed sensor should be working still. But yeah, I think other than that, this guy goes in and we can start pumping the brakes, start doing everything correctly. Okay, so after quickly just putting this on, it doesn't seem to sit 100% flush, but it did grab, it is in there, so I don't see it twisting off. It's already on there, so I think we should be fine. We would see any kind of leaks in the near future after doing so. So the other side is just to put this on. We should be good to go. So I'll put this back on, which was, I think these are 15mm bolts, I believe. I took them off with a 16, so I don't know. It probably was 16. Well, I am inside of the E82. We're actually gonna go drive it now. Yes, the tire is still exactly the same way as it was, but I'm going to risk it because I need to drive all the way to the nearest tire shop, since I don't have a second car here, to be able to take the rear wheel and have it swapped out. So that's what we're gonna go do, but we'll take it nice and slow. Again, it's just, I don't want to be speeding, because maybe the other rear tire is fine, it's okay, but I guess I'm not willing to risk it right now. But then again, yesterday it did pop on the highway and I made peace with God at that moment, so I said, you know what, let's keep it going. So we're gonna keep going. Looks
Probably fucking bad.
Oh my god, someone's truck. Oh my god, let's see. I don't think you can see it, but it's still holding pressure there. We should be fine. Alright, so look at this tire. Go over. Look at this one. It's 100% done. But surprisingly enough, they wear pretty even. Even the fronts, we're even having negative 2.5 degrees of camber, the tire actually wears evenly. So we checked from the inside and the outside of the treads on the fronts as well, and it's just like 1 millimeter off. So it's just something to be concerned about later. But so while we're here waiting, there's another thing I want to point out to you guys is that, so when doing the brake line, they were like, oh, is it the inner or the outer hose? Which this is considered the outer, and these are considered the inners, which is the same one that comes all over here. So this is an outer, and then it goes in that way all the way through, and it goes into like this. So these are inners. I was so confused yesterday about it because I couldn't see anything else, but that's what they meant. And now I know for future reference. You guys do too. All right, so basically this car is done finally. I'm a little bit upset because those are pretty much the, what are they, Indy Hawks 500s, and these are just the Acelera all-season tires. So they kind of look mismatched right now, but something that works is all that I care about right now. So before that we were running two 3540s. Now we are running a 245/35. It seems to fit a little bit better, especially with rubbing. I thought this would rub so much, but it does not. I ran 245/40 last time and they rubbed everywhere, and these do not. It seems like it might be more on the flush side of things. I can't be too sure till we test drive it and whatnot, and especially since Elijah will be coming with us, because I have to go drop off his jack and all that kind of stuff to his place. We'll see how much it rubs on that end, because I know that end does rub a little bit. I heard it rub once or twice, but it's not too bad. And if it rubbed, it'll most likely rub like right up here or something, which to me doesn't bother me, but we'll see. Hopefully you guys did like this video, and if you guys want to let me know anything else that I'm messing up on, well, let me know down in the comments. Say bye, Elijah.
Bye.